guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in my new house, obviously. Just a minute. So I've just arrived here, guys. I'm moving out for the third time in this year, and it's not even half the year, and this is my third time moving out because of circumstances. I'm so happy about this place, and one of the reasons that I love this place is because it has a balcony and it's near my workplace, so that's a plus. Don't mind my voice, I have a cold. Let's start with the cleaning. Let me just give you a little tour of the house, then we'll start the whole process of cleaning here and there. Though I'm moving out officially next week, I'm loving this. Anyways, come with me, let me show you around. So guys, this is the entrance. I have a door right there. That place, I love this place because it's big, then the floors are tiled. That's my trench coat, don't mind. I've told the caretaker to remove those hooks over there. I don't love that stuff. I just want my walls to be plain. So this is how the floor looks, like it's tiled, then the finishes, the paint. I don't think if they'll come out, but I'll try removing the paints from here. I love that there's this socket over here and also another socket over there, so I can put my bed this place or the other side. I'll figure that out later, but I just love this place because it's so big. Don't mind those stuffs, I've put them over there. Right here I have my sink area, which there's that window, so there's water here. There's water 24/7. This is my kitchen area, so I'll be working from here, and I have my sink over there. Then I have this place. Then up here I have the cabinet, the kitchen cabinet. This side is open, then I have this other side. Guys, I love this place because it's just functional. Don't mind the noise outside. This is a busy neighborhood, so yeah, that's it. So that's for the kitchen area, and I also love that there's these, they've put sockets here. Yeah, that's that. Then I think that's the meter box. Then another plus, I have my curtain rods. They've already installed curtain rods over there, so I'll just come with my curtains and just hang them over there, which I love so much. Then this side, I have my bathroom area. I don't know, but I just love this space over here. Look at that. Though I have a lot of work to do in this area because it's so dirty. Look at that stuff over there, but that's it. Then the toilet is a bit dirty, but I'll work on it. Yeah, that's it for the bathroom area, and I love that there's this shower rod over here. Then that place, I think I should, oh, let me not fall. I should just open these windows. I don't know if it will stick. I'll have to look for something and maybe put over here. What's this? This person is so messy. I'll have to deal with that later. Anyways, I just love this space. The bathroom area is a bit nikubwa, so I love it. Yeah. One thing I don't love about this is because I told the caretaker to put like bulb area. You see the way it's not fixed yet. I told him to fix it because I've been here for 1 week now. Like I got this place 1 week earlier, and I told him to fix the bulb, which he didn't. I also told him to fix the shower because the water is not coming out from the shower. I try, maybe let me see if I try opening it, there's no water coming out, but I told him to fix it. They've not fixed it yet, so I hope they will by the time I move in here. But there's water here, and I love that. I don't love this. I have a lot of work to do in that area. Guys, it's so gross. Anyways, guys, that's the tour of my house. Oh, I haven't shown you the balcony, guys. Let me show you the balcony first before I do any other. I start the cleaning process, right? So come with me. I'm so excited about this. When you move out, this is the balcony. Right here, there's this balcony. It's nikubwa. I have my over there. It's a big balcony. I just love this space. Look at that. If you wash, there's drainage over there, so water will just go out. Anyways, let's just do that. Let's do the cleaning. Guys, so 6 p.m. and I'm so tired and I haven't finished yet. Though I've washed the bathroom, I've washed the sink area, I've cleaned the curtain rods, I've also cleaned the kitchen cabinets over there. So what's remaining is just mopping the floor and I'm not going to clean the balcony today. It's a little bit dark in here because I haven't fixed the lights yet. That's the bulb over there. Where is it? Yeah, that's the bulb of the bulb holder. So during the day, light will just come in from there. That's the window near the kitchen, and then there's the door that leads to the balcony, guys. Anyways, yeah, let me just finish mopping the floor, then I'll be done, and I'll see you some other day, right? Okay. So guys, this is what I have right now. I know it's a little bit dark and the echo, but I've already finished cleaning. The bathroom still gives me like, it's still yucky, but anyways, I'll work on it with time. Yeah, but that's what we have, guys. I just love this space. Anyways, bye. It's a bit dark, so I have to sign out right now. Bye guys.